Okay, so for this exercise, we're gonna subtract the displacement. That is 89 negative minus 90. This gives us -1. And then the initial velocity, it's 80.5 meters per second. And we use the formula to solve for v, which is v squared. This is v final, and v initial square plus 2 acceleration times position, the final velocity square. We place the value of velocity and initial velocity. This is square plus 2 times the acceleration, which takes the place for gravity, which is -9.8, and this times the displacement, which is -1, and this gives us a result of -80.6 meters per second, which in here it's letter C if we round it.